Hello students, myself Sandeep. I'm here to announce to you about the latest program that we are launching. That is personalized guidance program to crack civil services prelims 2021. Basically, we thought of keeping this as mentorship program, but students are getting confused with the word mentorship because lot of institutions are coming out and they are saying they are planning to give mentorship, and some telegram channels and all are running these type of mentorship programs where students are not really understanding what exactly is the meaning of mentorship. So I just thought, I'll use the word guidance rather than telling you the word mentorship. See guys, normally whenever we make some systems, and let me say I have 100 people with me, every day I'll make 100 people to do a work systematically. We believe people can crack this exam. This is not some board exam. This is not some college exam where, if someone makes you to sit and tell, okay, these are the areas you by heart, the questions will come, you will clear. No. This is all about the mind game. Moreover, today we are in an era where there is more information rather than less information. 2008, 9, 10, 11, internet was not very much popular. At that time, most of the difficult thing was finding the material. Today, because of lot of institutions and thanks to the internet today, we are in a position to find lot of material. With my close observation of students, what I feel is students are taking so many materials, they're confused what to read and what not to read. And some people and institutions, what they do, they say don't read any other, just read ours. In the market, no one is perfect. Everyone has their own positives and negatives. As a student, it is our responsibility to ensure that we take positive from all. For example, even when you look at the institutions, not all subjects are taught by best faculties. Where you can see AKS is different because we have best faculties across the subject, so that students will not have problem in understanding the subject. But when it comes to guidance, our coaching is already done. Now we have just 120 days to prepare. What should we do? What should be our plan of action? For this, let me tell you, two types of students are there. One, who have their own plan, they have their own systematic plan. You need not teach them the plan, they have the plan already, what to do and what not to do. Right? Plan is ready with the students. There are other students who are more confused. For those students who have your own plan, you just need a test series, good test series, where there will be a schedule, you follow the schedule, you read according to the schedule, you write the tests. Here, people who opt for this, we want to ensure, if you wish, we give guidance here where you can sit with me personally. Right? I will be available. This is not like I will bring some people who have cleared and they will work for you. No. It will be me who will be personally available to you, where I will sit with you, look at your performance. There will be people who will evaluate and give it to us. We both can sit, we both can analyze which areas you are strong and which areas you are weak. For example, let me take polity. You're solving good number of questions in fundamental rights, but you do not have clarity over parliament. More number of questions are wrong in polity, like parliament topic. So then I'll suggest you an alternative material from whatever you are reading, so that that area can be improved. See guys, if you people have already written prelims, you are aware that somewhere you are closer to 80-90 marks. 4 to 5 questions, if you can improve, you will be through. I know many such students. That's the reason I'm telling, it makes me feel painful that students are losing not by huge margin, but they're losing by 4 to 5 marks. That's it. Because of lack of clarity of what they are doing. If someone can tell them at the right time, see, this is where you are, then even though we know, sometimes we listen to them carefully and do that. So, people who are really confident enough, who have their own plans, if you want a test series plus guidance, this will be made available. But the biggest challenge for most of the students is with respect to planning their preparation itself. Now, what would have happened because of their journey in institutions? Some subjects they are very much comfortable, and some subjects they are really not comfortable. Now, once they have this problem that I'm not comfortable with this subject, they read modern history, they don't read ancient and medieval, they don't read art and culture. Some student was telling me, sir, environment faculty was so bad that I started hating environment because of that. Science and tech they don't read. Now, what is happening? There is a shift where UPSC is focusing on new areas. You are in the transition period of this. Agriculture, last year questions increased. So suddenly when things are changing, when you are not strong on your basics, it is very, very difficult for you to crack this exam. And guys, the problem with these type of students, confused students, going with a test series or a systemic structure where they will ask you, today is polity, everyone read polity, tomorrow is economy, everyone read economy, is wrong. Trust me. If that is the case, there could have been lot of institutions who would have got all the results. Are they getting? No. Thousands of students are there in Delhi, guys. Unfortunately, handful of people are not clearing prelims. But people who is clearing prelims, they are clearing continuously. Those who cannot, they are failing continuously. So this guidance program is basically aimed at those people. Let me explain you. Here the problem is, first, if you are part of the program, I'll call you, we'll discuss about every subject in detail. I will understand you for some half an hour, which are your strengths and which are your weakness. We have approximately 120 days. At least 30 days will work on your weakness. Every individual's weakness is different. So, my plan is to give individual specific guidance. Those of you who already know me, who has already taken guidance, you have seen, I always try to tell individual specific things. So individually, I will be telling you which subject to start with. And then questions will be sent to you after you complete that. Trust me here with one thing, guys. Whichever institution, if they claim questions are coming from theirs, it's wrong. Any institution in India, it's not. 1 or 2 years it might have in the past, but not now. UPSC is changing continuously, where institutions do it after the exam rather than before the exam. So we want to be honest with the students. So the main motto of this guidance program and the institution is to ensure that honest service is provided to the student without showing you a sky. Like, I'll sit with you and tell, if sir, I have not covered 4 subjects, and if you are a slow learner, I will tell you this year it may be difficult. Just because I want to take money from you, I will not tell you come to my place, I will teach you, you clear. No. That will not be done. Honest review will be given so that honestly we can work. If not this year, we'll crack next year. What is the use? You trust blindly, you come, and after 2 months you realize by yourself you are not able to crack. So, this guidance program is at the individual level. It can be both online and offline, where I will be available at the institution, you can come and meet me, or on phone we can meet, where we will have a separate group, not with everyone. Me and you personally will have a group where everything about your preparation, I will be getting an update. I will understand it. And on the basis of that, I will give you suggestions. Practically, it is not possible for me to cover most of the students, even though the demand is more. So, those people who are interested, you can send your number and mail ID. Within a week, we will try to call all the students, and then we will get to know whether you are eligible for the program or not. If you are, we'll tell you what needs to be done. If not, we will guide you differently so that you are preparing well for at least 2022. Guys, don't be befooled where you are still preparing and someone will come and tell, come, let us start revision. Coaching is not over. Some people come to me and they're asking me, sir, my coaching is not completed. Shall I join your guidance program? Even if I am trying to give you guidance, students are not having enough time. So guys, false promises will not be done. Honestly, guidance will be provided to the students. If interested, please text us or mail us to the following details. Right? Waiting to meet you people personally. If required, you can come down to Hyderabad and be with us in the journey. But if your situation is not in such a way where you cannot come down, we can do it online as well. Because everything is available in soft copy format today. So it's not difficult for us to do this. I'm not promising you videos. I'm not promising you, I will ensure with some short tricks, with some, revision material you will clear. No, I will empower you. I will ensure that your knowledge enhances so that any question you will be able to answer. Nowadays, the fiery part is standard books are reduced into small booklets, guys. And they say you read this, it's enough. No, don't trust. Questions won't come. Today, spoon feeding is increasing. There is no enhancement of the student's knowledge. If that doesn't occur, it will be good during the preparation, but reaching goal is very, very difficult. Right? So, personally, if you need guidance, you can text us. You want test series and guidance, you can text us. We will be available at AKS. Thank you guys.